Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and in today's lecture, we'll dive into one of the most vital systems keeping you alive right now: cardiovascular physiology. If you missed our last episode on the immune system, innate and adaptive immunity, the full playlist is linked below in the description. Here's something to think about. Right now, your heart is beating about 70 times per minute, pumping 5 liters of blood through 60,000 miles of vessels, and you don't even notice it. That's the incredible efficiency of the cardiovascular system, the components of the system. The cardiovascular system has 3 main parts: the heart, the pump, 4 chambers, 2 atria, 2 ventricles. Right side pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs, left side pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. The blood vessels, the network. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Veins return blood to the heart. Capillaries are tiny exchange points where oxygen and nutrients move into tissues. The blood, the transport medium, carries oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, hormones, and immune cells. How it works. Physiology in action. Each heartbeat starts with an electrical impulse generated in the sinoatrial SA node, the heart's natural pacemaker. This triggers contraction of the atria and ventricles, pushing blood forward. The cardiac cycle alternates between systole, contraction, and diastole, relaxation. Blood pressure reflects this cycle. Systolic pressure is the peak during contraction, diastolic is the resting pressure. Case studies and examples. Exercise. During running, cardiac output can rise 4-fold to meet oxygen demand. Hypertension. Chronically high blood pressure strains vessels, leading to heart disease and stroke. Heart attack, myocardial infarction, occurs when a coronary artery is blocked, starving heart muscle of oxygen. Artificial hearts and pacemakers show how physiology and technology can work together to save lives. Control and regulation. The cardiovascular system is tightly regulated by autonomic nervous system. Sympathetic nerves speed up the heart. Parasympathetic slow it down. Hormones. Adrenaline increases heart rate and blood pressure during stress. Local signals, capillaries dilate or constrict depending on tissue needs. This coordination ensures balance between oxygen supply and demand. Why this matters in physiology and anatomy. The cardiovascular system isn't just about the heart, it's about life support for every cell in the body. Without it, muscles, organs, and even the brain would stop functioning in minutes. Past, present, and future relevance. Past, William Harvey's discovery of blood circulation in the 1600s revolutionized medicine. Present, cardiovascular diseases are the leading global cause of death, but advances in surgery, stents, and lifestyle medicine are saving lives. Future, bioengineered hearts, lab-grown vessels, and personalized cardiovascular care may transform how we treat heart disease. So that's our deep dive into cardiovascular physiology, the pump, the pipes, and the fluid that make life possible. In our next lecture, we'll move from circulation to creation, exploring embryogenesis and developmental signaling, how a single fertilized cell develops into a complex human being. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and subscribe so you won't miss our next lecture. Because once you understand the heart, you realize biology isn't just about life, it's about keeping life in motion.